Today I'm testing something cool on the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. It's a print-in-place box with working hinges, printed as one single piece. All settings for the standard profile were left as default for this print. Let's preview and start printing. It should be done within an hour. Watching this print is so satisfying. The Bambu A1 Mini is really fast and handles overhangs very well. The hinges are printed with tiny gaps that allow movement straight off the bed. No supports were used in this entire print. Let's get it off the plate. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. Let's see if the hinges and the latch can do their job. The box was opened successfully. Let's move the lid to see how the hinges and latch behave. The hinges are a bit stiff, but they do work. The latch works fine too. Small tools and other small items can be stored neatly. If you want to try this print yourself, the model is linked in the description. Get commercial access to all my 3D files to sell 3D prints. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. You might find other videos interesting too.